Hey, for anybody wondering, what does the back of the panel look like here? This is the flight sim panel with the touchscreen, the G5s, the 530, the 430, the LG touch panel, the Knobster 530, 430, I already touched that. Audio panel, autopilot, autopilot, and transponder with the Aviation Training Foundation flap switch here. So I think that pretty well covers everything on the front side, but I wanted to make this video so you could see what the back side looks like. It is a little bit dark, I do apologize, but pretty much just everything is USB. This goes to the lights on the other side. There's actually an LED light strip that lights that up. I normally just plug it into a power bank for that. USB. Pretty much everything is powered on the back side by either like a kind of a fat USB. I don't know if that's USB B or I don't know what it is, but it's the big one. Some of these are mini USB. This is why I don't like moving this. So when this is in place, I like to keep it there. The Aviation Training Foundation flap switch, I don't know if you can see that, but the the USB port, mini USB port there, actually broke off from this, and it's still on the piece. So that means it needs to be resoldered or we need a new one. That is the second time that's happened, and I can't get that replaced now because Aviation Training Foundation, these guys, don't exist anymore. So I'm on my own getting that one fixed. I'm pretty sure it's probably just hopefully a simple USB, a solder job, or maybe I can get a different one. So casualty of war, I get it, but pretty much everything just unplugs as you know, you would expect things to unplug, so like not a huge deal. In the reverse, everything just plugs in instead of out like this. So I'm sure you guys get it. This stuff is fairly simplistic here. So once I get all this stuff undone, I'm gonna disconnect this unit and set it aside, and then I've got this thing to worry about, which is the mount, which instead of sitting on the table, this is a gas mounted, this is a 49-inch screen, gas mounted. This thing sits 18 inches at the top here, 18 inches off. So a lot of stuff, just a C-clamp down here. Never had a single issue with this. The table's a little bit wobbly being on carpet like this, but overall, like, I have not had any issues with this. Once I got the spring tightened up the way that it needs to be, this thing has sat right where it's supposed to be the entire time. So, all right, I'll continue this mess, and I'll probably catch you guys with another video later.